This week, we're finishing up our initial production run of the Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL. Unlike a typical divider compass, the Pocket Compass features a precisely machined beam, keeping the tool stable all the way out to the Pocket Compass XL's maximum of 21 inches in diameter. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and take a look at how they're made. We start with the aluminum beam. Here, in one of our state-of-the-art CNC milling machines, we're milling the edges of the Pocket Compass XL. At another CNC, we're working on the standard Pocket Compass. Here, we're countersinking the scribing hole. After milling, each part is inspected to our strict tolerance to ensure a perfect fit. Once the tool is anodized, it's sent to our laser department where it's engraved with the inch and metric scales. Once complete, the Pocket Compass is assembled, then shipped directly to your shop. Like all of our tools, each Pocket Compass is made right here in our shop in Strongsville, Ohio. Fast, accurate circle and arc layout with Woodpeckers Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL. Order yours today.